La 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 la.
Ow, Connor, no!
You're rotating your head already, huh, little one?
Yeah, she surprisingly is. Oh, Connor, that actually tickles. Oh, Connor, that tickles. Stop it. Stop it. Why don't you go put that back, Connor?
I don't do it though.
You don't know.
Any marshmallows? You got any marshmallows?
Marshmallows.
We got marshmallows.
I don't think Dr. Dave has marshmallows. No.
I'll take all these kids out.
No, no, Connor. Leave it alone. Connor.